Hi guys, my name is Mohit and I'm from Fabric Cosmetics and we are manufacturers of color cosmetics. I'll take you through the range what we manufacture. We manufacture nail paints, we manufacture bullet lipsticks, we manufacture liquid lipsticks, we manufacture liquid eyeliner, kajal, liquid eyeshadow, we manufacture lip balms, we manufacture lip balms in jar, we manufacture tinted lip balms in jar, lip scrub, lip and cheek tint, sindoor, and nail polish remover. And not just this, we can also give you various types of finishes in nail polish like pearl finish, we can give you glossy, we can give you matte, we can give you glitter, we can give you holographic. And same thing we can do with the bullet lipsticks also, wherein we give you creamy matte, matte, velvet matte, glossy, and a super matte finish. We have a color palette for nail polish and lipsticks which contains more than 300 plus colors, and we can develop custom colors according to your requirement. With us, it is also possible for you to customize your product when it comes to the colors, the outer container, the printing on the product, as well as the packaging to it. We can customize the product from the scratch for you, which basically means that you can completely create a new product for yourself in the market. For example, in lip balms, we can use different type of colors, we can use different type of fragrances, we can use different kind of finishes and the amount of tint that you want into the lip balm. So that can be completely customized as per your requirement. We are manufacturing one of the best qualities of liquid lipstick. Basically, considering the quality in terms of the stay, which is around 8 to 12 hours of stay, it is hydrating, it does not give you a chapped lip. Third thing, it contains vitamin E, and fourth thing, it contains natural SPF. All the products that we are manufacturing are 100% cruelty free. We do not promote or do any sort of animal testing for any of our products. Now, in order to increase the benchmark of our quality, we have become a GMP compliant and ISO certified as well, which makes sure that whatever products we manufacture in our facility are 100% safe and in the best of the conditions, which you can offer to your customers. All the products that we manufacture have a shelf life of 36 months, which basically means 3 years. So you can be absolutely assured about the quality of the raw material and the shelf life of the products. You have to be assured with the things that what product you're offering to your customer. So you practically can bank on it. Now coming to one question which a lot of people want to know is that what is the minimum order quantity that we deal with. So we order minimum 10,000 pieces of any product in which we do the customization for you. For certain products we have a MOQ of 5,000 pieces also. Now the basic reason of keeping the higher MOQ is for the reason that in order to achieve a certain level of quality, we have to make bigger batches. When we make bigger batches, obviously that batch has to be consumed in the larger number itself. So that is one of the major aspects. Second thing, so we are basically the manufacturers of the quality which goes into the product. So for example, in a lipstick, we make the bullets of it. Now the containers that come to us are coming from the various suppliers in the market. Now their basic MOQ to print a particular brand onto a container, whether it is a nail polish or a liquid lipstick or any other product, the bare minimum that they want to print is 10,000 pieces. So in this way, the number of the MOQ increases for the customer. But that is also a good part. The reason being, once the product starts moving in your circle, whether you're selling online or offline, you have to make sure that there's always an inventory at the backside in order to serve the customers at the right point of time. So I hope you've got a lot of details about our company, what we do, how we do it, what are the MOQs and everything. If you need any other information, just let me know. We'll be surely be happy to help you with the things. Thank you.